How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing a catch can. I already have some of the 10AN hose for the catch can already cut. I found out a good position for the catch can to be mounted. So it is going to be mounted right here off of the strut tower. As you can see right there. We're going to run it right there for now. Later on, I might relocate my battery and get the big 4-port catch can, but for now she's right there tucked away. Can't really see it. So right now I'm just working on my AN lines. I'm cutting those up right now. Already got this side on, so we got that side. We're just gonna cut this, measure it, get it all fit up, and then I'll show you guys the end product. So it is gonna be a little short video today, just because I am feeling under the weather. But I got the catch can in. I got the catch can from Bull Boost. So if you guys know that company, we're gonna try it out. Doesn't really have a lot of baffling, but my valve cover does have baffling, so we'll see. Hopefully that doesn't spit out oil too much. Hopefully it just really just goes back to my engine. But we're gonna try it out. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Like it, subscribe. It's gonna be a short one, like I said, but let's start cutting this AN line and getting it ready. So we got this cut for the valve cover to the catch can. We're gonna put that 90 on right now. So just take off real quick, actually. Is seated right below the threads. So I don't have AN wrenches, but I'm gonna use regular ones because I don't care, you know? We just need it to work. That's it. And then you're just gonna snug them up. Get them all the way down. All the way. A little bit more. So there's that AN hose right there. Got that one. Let's see if it fits the car. Alright, cool. So let me get a light. So right there, I got it running from right there to the valve cover. And then we gotta do the next one, which is going to go right in the middle, right there. So let's get that routed. This one's going on the valve cover, and then just Look at this. Just push it on there. The bottom not down first. And obviously just put this. Tighten this. Alright, cool. So there is both lines now on the catch can, both going to the valve cover. Last one is that middle one that goes down to the bottom of the block where the old catch can was, stock PCV. They call them black boxes on the Hondas just because they are a black box. But I got the 10 AN fitting down there, which I'll show you guys. And then I gotta measure the hose for it. So I'm gonna get that all ready. All right, cool. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. That is the catch can installed with the AN lines. Next, I have my fuel lines right here on the toolbox with all the fittings as well. So I got all my AN fittings, PTFE, steel braided brake line, fuel line, god damn it. So we got the fuel line right there that I gotta do next, which I need the rail for that and the regulator. So then I can run all the fuel lines to the E85 sensor, get all the measurements correct, run it all to the fuel pump. And that'll be on the next video. So hopefully you guys stay tuned, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.